Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. We're going to dive all in. Just know the link, if you're interested in applying to this page, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Guardian. They are hiring a dental claims approver. Now, this is remote for the United States only, and they do have some flexible schedule start times. We are going to get into that. But they are basically looking for somebody to approve their dental claims and process claims that cannot be processed automatically by their main system. So you'll be reviewing the claims, looking over them, applying state laws to the processing of the initial claims and pills. You'll refer claims to consulting dentists to determine necessity of treatment if that is needed to process the claim. You'll investigate and respond to written appeals, inquiries, and complaints, and you'll follow up on any claims that need additional information that's pending in the system. This does state this is not a customer service or call center. No phone work is required. All of your follow-up on claims is going to be done through written appeals, letters, that sort of thing. Now, here's where the flexible schedule comes in. Their department is open from 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is a 12-hour daily window, and they say their colleagues work only 40 hours a week and need to hit their productivity and quality goals. But as long as you can hit your productivity and quality goals, during training, they need your scheduled start time to be between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m., probably so that your schedule will correspond with whoever is training you. After that, it appears that you can pick your own start time. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They don't list any degree requirements at all. They're looking for someone who can demonstrate self-awareness and embrace feedback, somebody who can handle pressure in a production environment, someone who can multitask and switch mail types when requested, someone who can be organized, be a problem solver, be analytical, and they want somebody who can have good attendance, who will show up for work, someone who is proficient at using computer systems as well. If this is something you're interested in, their salary range for this position, of course, is going to be dependent on location and experience, but ranges from $29,760 all the way up to $44,640. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, life insurance, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful for you, leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.